Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvallur.
Couplet number 405, chapter Ignorance. A mutt belonging to Thirupalnandal Kasi mutt was functioning at the Karpur village at the bank of Kaveri river near Kumbakonam. In the mutt, Vidwans and Pandits belonging to Thiruvadurai Adhinam, who were experts in the northern and southern languages, studied books in the respective languages and taught lessons to the students. There was a well in front of the Karpur mutt. The bullocks belonging to the mutt were taken to the well by the cartmen, and after taking the bullocks to drink water, they would bring them back and take them outside. There was no wall covering the well, and the surface of the well coincided the earth's surface. One day, a newly joined student came with utter rude shock and informed the Pandits that he saw an animal falling into the well. The Pandits were shocked at the information, fearing as to whether the bullock of the mutt fell into the well, and they all rushed towards the well to know the fact. There they found no trace of any animal falling into the well. They looked up the boy and said, "Dear student, we could not see any trace of animal which fell into the well." The student pointed out a squirrel which was found inside the well. The Pandit said that it was not an animal and it was a squirrel. The student replied that he meant about the squirrel only. A Pandit Guru got angry at this and shouted at the student, "Oh fool, you were silent throughout and now you are pointing out at the squirrel?" The student said, "Dear Guru, squirrel is not considered an animal." He ran inside and bought a dictionary. "Look at this, my Gurus. The squirrel is shown listed as the animal only." This made Pandits getting angry further. "You are not only a fool, you are a fool of the fools. You should have told that a squirrel fell into the well, and if you did so, there was no need for fear amongst us. Did you hear anyone claiming squirrel as the animal while speaking? Mere knowledge gaining through books is not enough. You should speak with experience gained in the world." A man who did not undergo education, thinking self as educated and speaking without practical experience, who lose his original respect which he earned in the earlier part of his life too. Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvallur explains about this in his Thirukkural as follows: "Kalla oruvan thagaimai தலை பெய்து சொல்லாட சோர்வு படும்." I recite, "கல்லா ஒருவன் தகைமை தலை பெய்து சொல்லாட சோர்வு படும்." It is always safe for an uneducated to keep himself silent. It is better for educated to speak at the right time. Thank you very much. Indeed, Nandri, Vanakkam.